Good day, everyone. My name is Oyelele, popularly known as Chief Rules, and today I'm going to actually show you how to generate your SSH keys in a very simple format. Okay, and this is actually going by the lecture that we just heard from our lecturer or our instructor in person of Mr. Edema. Yes, of IBT Learning. Okay, let's quickly dive into it as fast as possible. Okay, number one, when you open your git bash just like this, and we want to know if you already have any SSH key in the first place. So the very first thing you do is you just type al, apologies, okay, al, then infinity key slash ssh full stop, dot ssh, sorry, dot ssh, to say, okay, can you please list all my what is it called, my SSH keys. Unfortunately here I haven't. You see, command not found. Well, I think I did before. I deleted everything, so just because I want to prepare this video, so I'm doing it back anyway. So now that we've seen that there is no what's it called, SSH keys generated on this git bash on this laptop, so now we have to generate it. So the next step is to go to generate a new SSH key. And how do we do that? We have to run this code on the terminal. All we have to say is SSH, then keygen -t. Then we have, I'm using ed25519, then /c, capital C, please, capital C. Then I have to put my email address, okay, my email address, writes@gmail.com, okay, and I press enter. And generating, you see, generating public and private ed key pair, enter file in which to save it. Now here, some people might want to type something that they want to use to save it, but I just press enter. Right here again is saying you should enter a passphrase, like a password, so that people won't have real access, direct access to your Git account anytime, any day. But me, you can't have access to my system except I give you the system. So I press enter. Next, again, you have to enter the same passphrase again. Second time, I'm going to press enter, and voila, here I am. It has been generated. Everything is intact. Okay, I have to clear the screen, and the next thing we have to work on right now is the step 3, which is to start the SSH agent. And how do we do that? All we have to do in order to start the SSH agent is we type eval, then this $SSH agent together, then start. Then we close this and we press enter. And this is saying that well, this has been created. Agent PID 1986 has been created. So this guy actually just starts, checks our agent. It's already running. Cool. And immediately you're done with this, then the next thing we have to do is to add the both the private SSH key to the SSH agent. Okay, and this is how we're going to, the command to run this that we're just going to add is just to type this again, /.ssh /id underscore ed25519, right? And this is to add the private key in there. Then we'll press enter. Booms. And now look at that. Line 1, blah 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 blah, line 2, blah 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 blah, line 3, whatever, command not found. What's that supposed to mean? Wait, hold on a second, I just want to be sure. Oh, sorry, do you know why it's off? Okay, now look at it, just look at me. I actually wanted to add this to the I wanted to add my private key into the SSH what's it called, agent, and I didn't even tell it too hard. I just went ahead and just typed. That's ridiculous. Okay, anyway, just press back up, press up, then I go back here, and what I'm missing is SSH, then add, then the space. So what I'm not saying, SSH, can you please add this guy into this guy? Press enter, and now this is correct. Identity has been added, right? So this is correct. We're done with that. So step 5, we are going to actually run, also add the public key of the SSH right? You remember we added the private, now remaining the public. It's a copy the SSH public key to your clipboard. How do I put this public key to my keyboard? All I need to do is to just type cat here /.ssh/id underscore ed 25519, you know what I mean, 19, and what am I doing there? .pub. Yeah, sure, this works. And once I press enter, it should copy. Yeah, that's public key. So the next step is, once you run this command, yes, add the public key to your GitHub account. So now this is the part where I have to open my GitHub. Okay, so let me open my Chrome. Oh, sorry. This is my GitHub. This is my GitHub.com. I already have it. I already logged in before now. So definitely my profile is still going to be there. That's not logged me out. So far so good. Yep. So I need to go to nope. I need to click on this profile, then settings, I believe. Yes, settings. I click on settings. Now under settings, I go to SSGs and GPG keys. I already have this one here before. I can actually, let me just delete this. This is, I don't need this one. I'm just deleting it. Like I said, I'm trying a new set. Okay, I think I did this using, okay, now I remember how I did that one. So here let me type the title. This is my laptop. The reason why we're using this Lenovo laptop is because I'm like, okay, which key is this? Where is it coming from? Which is the source? I'm like, okay, this is my Lenovo laptop, so I know that whenever I push something from my laptop there, so if I have it on my phone, if I have it on an iPad or something other thing, then I'll be able to, if I have another laptop tomorrow, then I'll be able to say, okay, from this laptop, that's where I'm pushing this from. If I'm using a friend's, then I'm just like, I use this friend's guy to just use his own at this point in time, you know, just to like know precisely the origin of where I'm pushing it from. Here, then I paste what I copied. Remember that cut that I did the other time. I'm going to use it to paste in here, which is, oh, okay, now it is not pasting anything at the moment, sorry. So let's go back there. Let's go back to this key. Oh, sorry, I think I'm supposed to copy all this guy. I thought it was going to copy directly automatically, but it isn't. So here I copy this. This is my public key, don't forget, ladies and gentlemen. And I go back to my Chrome, then I paste it there. Paste, thank you very much, and that's it. This is my public key. Then once I say add SSH, it's going to ask for the authentication, and which, trust me, I have an authentication for it. I'm using an authenticator, Google Authenticator, so for my GitHub account, you know, just extra security, you know, that kind of a thing. So once I type my authenticator code therein, well, for GitHub, I have the 0657774. Of course, this will be long gone before you guys try it anyway. And there is it. I have it in there. So this is my SSH key, live and direct, which has been generated, linked from my Git bash, my system, to my GitHub account. So I don't have any issues regarding that. So that is done. Yep, that is it. That's how you create it and that's how you link it. I think the next thing will just be the, getting files, committing, staging, then commit, which I've done before now. So enjoy. Thanks.